Sanibona bafethu, welcome to Starting 11 bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Wenkabi. So bafethu, njengenjalo ngihamba noSibuda Lebuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Shaphu kunjani mfethu?
Hayi ngigrand. So bafethu, we are back with another video. This video Bafana Bafana. So before we get into the video bafethu, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11XI. So 11 we number then bese kuba XI Starting 11. So bafethu, namhlanje sizokhuluma ngeBafana Bafana, Bafana Bafana squad, Bafana Bafana opponent, Bafana Bafana friendly games, Bafana Bafana squad. So njengamanje Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Hayi kumoja. Sibonga ithuba kumdali sisaphila umphefumulo uhlangene nenyama. Sizobheka la isquad Sabros since iFIFA break isiqalile.
Showcase.
Yeah, i-selection choice of selection yakhe. Then bese kuba indlela mina engibuka ngayo ukuthi mhlambe esikhundleni sikabani akakabheka uma edonsa ubani amreplace izinto ezikanjalo mase singena kuyona.
Yeah.
So scroll out ke ischeme sakhe 22 players ne.
Showcase.
Yeah. Kwi goalkeeping department yakhe mina ngicabanga ukuthi uselecte kahle. Yeah, i-selection yakhe ibe right. Williams, uGross noLina. Hayi top notch performance yalabo goalkeeper Gross noLina i-right kakhulu. Nethi i-team performance ayikho that good. But ke njengoba ucoach ekwazile ukubuka aselect ukuthi abheke umdlali i-performance yomdlali ngamunye. Abuka ukuthi lo mdlali lo mayingathola olunye uhlobo labadlali abane better performance compared to lama ile team akuyo, yini anganginika yona. Same thing ke ngifisa ukuthi akayenze even kwi defense, kwi midfield na kuma strikers na kuma forwards. Abhek noma athiwa i-team number 16 bheka ama individuals ukuthi mangayithatha le individual ngoba ngathi right yabo ngiyifake la esquadini sami nabanye abadlali. Yeah, ukuthi iza nginikani.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah.
Then ama defender Chicago Fire defender.
Yeah.
Mbekezeli Mpokazi TLB.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okon an overseas player, international player. Sinokabini
umfakeli
Okon. Yeah,
Okon.
umfakeli.
Okay.
Umbizile wabiza uKabini.
Yeah.
Kabini naye is an international player udlala i-team yakhe.
Usamkelo Kabini.
Yeah. Then waya kwi Masandawana wadonsa uModiba wadonsa.
Ukhona ngithi lo weHanover 96 la phesheya. Yeah, center back le.
Yeah.
Then kuba usamkelo Kabini.
Yeah. Naye
futhi ina man.
Naye futhi player idlalela outside the country.
Okay, then bese siba no Modiba.
Yeah, ku Sundowns.
Modiba
left back here too. Kube uMdawo i-right back here too from Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ibhodlela from iBhakaniya. Yeah, uMatuludi. Yeah, inkunzi naleyana.
Lo ePolokwane sithi.
Hayi inkunzi, Matuludi lapha emuva. Ndamane, captain overhead balls. Captain set piece or captain aerial balls. Yeah. And khona iskill ke asikhombisa recently so keep ama pass.
Hey.
Amaphasa kamnandi.
Uimprovile lo mjita lo and uyayithemba manje sene confidence.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi bengenayo but improvile.
Yeah, lento engisho ukuthi i-team ingaba number 16 but uma idonswa ingene kwabantu abaperforma kamnandi ufika gain on as show up ukuthi this is how I play, this is my skills kahle kahle. Bengicindezelekile laphana ngoba manje labantu bane low level ye playing playing of football yabo
ngoba so number 16 sonke sesiyabheka
sihlaza. Yabo uthe wafitha njengedada emanzini lo lokhujana kwi Sundowns uNdamane. Yeah, just like uTawo
kwazise phela emnambithi malinile izulu umgaqo lapha kunohanjwa ngekep so ngoba efitha njengedade emanzini kusho ukuthi le ndawo yokubhukuda uyayazi
yabona uyatshuza lento eyenzeka yazi lento ngizophinda ngisho ukuthi ama players from Orlando Pirates i-percentage yama players afika perform kamnandi lapha kulama team ayakhona just like uJeho yabona njengoTawu Thousand waba the best right back in the country both kwi Kaizer Chiefs na kwi Bafana which is number 2 which is la Thousand ingekho fethi right back efana naye yabo so okay sizwe manake ake sithi ukubheka
ngama defend
no ake sithi ukubheka lapha
seza kubadlali befuza badlalile fuza ba selective that we think as a starting 11 ba selective ake siqale nje ngesquad
okay imidlini
mase sazile ukuthi okay obana ba selectiwe then bese siyasho ukuthi okay thina if we were part of team ka Hugo Bruce ngabe mhlawumbe siba reconsider laba u1 no2 no3 no4 then ke sesiswini midfield isiso sethu sesiba selectile goalkeeper sesibashilo goalkeeper nama defender then sesiswini manje ngokuka Hugo Bruce verse 1 chapter 6 u select uMkwena Tebogo Mkwena well deserved collab then kwasekuba uMbatha uMbatha well deserved then bese kuba uJayden Adams welcome back Jayden Adams so uHortman manje welcome back uke wakunqoma futhi Hugo Bruce washo wathi uJayden Adams ngoba bengasabizwa esquadini uke wahlala phansi wayibuka athi mina nguJayden Adams if ngiqhubeka kanje ngizophelela kuMarumo Gallants then bese kuba uyaya Sithole I think one of my midfields ethu then sisiyaqhubeka sesiyaku attack ke manje attack Frosler
ama forwards
ama forwards Foster
Kholeiwe then walanda Hlongwane walanda uMafukwane
Mfukeng indoda hat trick
Mr Hattrick walanda ipartner ya Mafukwane apolice
amaphoyisa
ngile ile kujani comment ethi uMfukeng uyi-best player deserver i-player of the season kuwo wonke ama-player kushiwo thina bengitheni
emapha ama-player ethu
angazi phela bekusho umlandeli wethu esho kithi ethi uMfukeng ungcono uyi-best futhi uyayideserve uzoyiwina i-player of the season compared to ama-player ethu
yes nama-player
lapho mina bengithe if apolice aka introducewanga kuleya game bezowina ngo 6-0 owakhipha waba i-assist washaya ama-assist ayi2 badly ngebad lakhe ibhola lokuqala liphasela uMfukeng azange aliconvert to i-goal but la amanye amphasela kona angena washaya i-hat-trick esuka kubani esuka ebenchini uApolice wangena waniwa phakela uMfukeng ibhola lakhaleni ethini just withdraw aPolice for 5 games and see how many goals uMfukeng azowakora just evaluator iperformance kaMfukeng makukhona aPolice uyibheke futhi uma yenge cause igoal lokuqala kuMfukeng ayikho iassist lapho ayikho iassist uMfukeng uqala ukuba nayo kuleya game bewini sekukhona aPolice so without aPolice there was bekungeke kube nalokho njani there could have been no hat-trick ayikho assist egolini lokuqala what if free kick ayibi khona aPolice akekho izoba khona i-hat-trick no so asidlulele phambili sesekuma forward kusele ukuchoose 8
Mahopa uMoremi then bese kuba iSundowns loni lo muntu odlala phesheya uMaseko
yeah
uThapelo Maseko
yeah
yes then bese kuba uThemba Zwane Mshishi Shika Bala then iwona ama forwards ethu lawo for iBafana sizodlala ama two friendlies ezodlala eThekwini enye idlala eCape Town
yeah
ama friendlies nePanama abantu ama players that we think should have been called up by Hugo Bruce and then wangababiza so ngeke ukwazi ukusabela mongabizwanga but ke thina siyena Hugo Bruce then ayisingene kubona
yeah since kuama friendly bengizake ngitry mina ngokwami i-homemade team specifically uma ngithatha ukubheka nje lapha ya uMahopa noMremi in terms of i-convection if le team abadrawe nayo ngo-1-1 iswelele if i-team i-effective njengeswelele njenge-Kaizer Stars khona uMahopa noMremi for i-Pirates how do they perform cause uMremi uperforme kamnandi ngale game bedlala iLokhujana but bese kuyegula iTS Galaxy isine red card yabo
but yeah ngiyakuzwa but I don't think uHugo Bruce sazoyenza lento lokuthi isquad si dominate abadlali bePirates because you remember what he said we conference uthe bingekho chemistry isibuya kwiAfcon and remember abadlali bebaningi bebePirates so Hugo Bruce and he got a backlash for that coach Rulani coach Manqoba Mnqithi the likes of Jomo Sono ama legend basho bathi Hugo Bruce ushintshe into ebisebenza aka selectanga the best players that were supposed to represent us kwiCAF
yeah
so naye futhi uyambona indlela akhuluma ngayo ukuthi ngeke sayenza leyo nto le and West Orlando Pirates is not performing on the highest stage on the continent
yeah
so if abadlali abayidlala iCAF abadlali beOrlando Pirates it's really hard to say ukuthi these are the best players that you can take on other nation while ba-base domestic badlala ama-local competition i-Orlando Pirates so kunzima ukuthi ungajudge umuntu ngegame ye-TS Galaxy
yeah
then bese uthi wena hayi ngiyamthatha i-combination babonile bashaya 6 goals against i-TS Galaxy then lapha akudlala ama-TS Galaxy lapha
yeah
yes so I think uza ngaleyo approach ukuthi if you guys are failing to play Champions League why nizodominate isquad sami
yeah
yes I think indlela abona ngayo but ngoba uthi wena buzokwenza i-home remedy but I think Hugo Bruce is building a team for iWorld Cup njengamanje futhi uyabaqeqesha so wena what buzokwenza kanjani
yeah njengoba bengisasho ngokwami ngibheke nginika abanye abadlali from other teams i-chance yokuthi esquadini sami uma ngabe ngiletha lapho yabo ke ngithi angibizanga uMahopa noMuremi mhlambe as i-final squad sami kulama friendly ake ngithi nje ngitry uTitus yeah ngitry Cupido yeah ngitry khona lo mdlali oyi1 uLibisi yeah we Stellenbosch ke ngitry leyo trio phambili kwisquad sami ngibona ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani uApolisi umuntu okwazi ukubamba ibhola uma kumele abulala indoda angene phakathi acinge ispace acinge umuntu amnike so if uTitus uyadlala uApolisi let's say mhlambe ukuyiposition number 10 noma yipi position uthola amabhola khona umfukeni noCupido yini engaphuma mina ngokwami ngitry as a coach ukuthi kungaphumani right ngibuye futhi ngize kuma defense isikhukhune ine defense emnandi i-defense yakhona ishawa yini i-middle nama forwards abaperformi kamnandi abaperformi kahle yabo so ake ngithi ukulanda laphana if just in case kulimala one of uNdamane Nombokazi yabo baba injured mhlambe sengithi hayi no Kekani ake ubambe lapha nangi idefender ilimala mhlambe let's say kulimala umdawu because umdawu uyidemand kuma serious games njengoba kuzoyiwa ku World Cup uzodingeka so just in case uba ne fatigue noma ne injury noma I cramp ngaye ngithi Mogeila mhlambe from isikhukhuni ngibuka ukuthi bazoperforma kanjani laphana noMbukazi no Modiba yabo ya no Lokhujana no Langa lapha kwi left back for ukusubstitute uModiba ngibona ukuthi ngoba lama defenders kokhona mfethu amnandi answempu ashawa ukuthi i-team yeLokhujana ama-team i-team yakhona i-middle ne-forward ayiperformi kahle then eswini hayi ngibona kuhamba kahle
yeah
hayi eswini hayi ngibona kuhamba just nje for i-substitute yami hayi mfethu uNdlondlo mfethu hayi uyinkinga uNdlondlo uyinkinga uNdlondlo wathola teammate bakhe usuka kuPirates yini wafika wathola obhululu bakhe umnandi uNdlondlo yeah uNswempu uNdlondlo uhlupha just like ulokuhlupha kuluhlobo la opolice umuntu ongeza kaza give from uref eshaya impempe ethi pe till uref azayishaya uthi umphelile umdla ayehli performance ukujak noma ungamshanga ngo10-0 uNdlondlo ngeke asileke njengoGipa give up noma apolice ungamshanga ngo20-0 ngeke asileke athi njengoba ngisekhona egroundini ngizonhlupha ngeke ni enjoy le win ngeke uyi-enjoy i-win uyi-defend uyi-midfielder kukhona apolice kukhona uNdlondlo yabo kodwa ke phela sibuka ngendlela engafani
yeah so before nje suwashayela ama-forwards
yeah ama-forwards
oh okay so mina umuntu ongekho la abengicabanga ukuthi uzoba khona uSipho Chain ngiyayibona iperspective oza ngayo yes those players obashoyo Mahaila oNdlondlo they are good but Hugo Bruce now Sipho Chain they are good Ndlondlo Sipho Chain Mahaula uLokhunja no le club
yeah
those are good players but Hugo Bruce le squad asikhiphile usikhiphele ukuthi okay I'm building up towards iWorld Cup so ngeke aza experiment yabo and futhi you are good Ndlondlo yes but udlala nobani yabo iprofile ama players lawa good against obani so Sipho Chain into emshayile I think emshayile Sipho Chain is good but when it's come to who because when it's come to abantu abadlala iChampions League iSundowns uPepe then he is good to other 15 teams but ingakho adonse lamajita u2 lawa uLokhunja lamajita lawa uLina no Gos okay these people are good they are facing Mamelodi Sundowns they are facing Orlando Pirates and they were good yabo but ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi uSipho Chain kuzabonakala ukuthi ugood kumele ahambe udla Champions League kumele ahambe udlala neSundowns and get results and this season akakakwenzi lokho yabo so you are good against who because iLokhunja i-team kaHugo Bruce iyodlala iWorld Cup and njengamanje sizodlala nabantu abawunumber 30 FIFA rankings Panama sina so number 60 so I think Hugo Bruce ubuka kanjalo ukuthi okay yes we are playing we are good against amagesi we are good against amaZulu but when it matters because njengamanje awuyeli kuyodlala noNdlondlo lapha
ake siyibheke la how did Bafana won AFCON
hayi ngangakazi lapho kakusekudala ngo1996
okay
angisengane
yabona iziwini bafana ku AFCON they had a goalkeeper from la ibafana iya ku World Cup 1998 mangaphosisi iphethe 90% wabadlali bala and at that time I think Brian Baloyi was a goalkeeper esquadini lapho.
He was playing for a high profile head killer shot killer Kaizer Chiefs at the time.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs engekho that good kwi-CAF Champions League. Engenawo umlando o10 kwi-CAF Champions League.
But ayidlala.
Yeah,
ayidlala yeli kwakuphela unyaka ibuyele ayidlala kodwa.
Ngibuye ize la njengoba uHelman Khelele elapha ya. Babe khona bewin. Onel Tovi he never went to overseas to play for international players. Umuntu wayedlalela iKaizer Chiefs namanye ama players from Moroka Swallows abadlale bekwabala. Why ngithanda abadlala bala? They have ibhola lala eMzansi of which team yale ayilokhuthi ayilazi lendlela abadlala ngayo. So up until kuze kuthengwa oBhenny because iperformance yakhe iperformance yabo kuyilokhujana kuma games ala eMzansi ama team ala eMzansi amanye ama team ayengadlali iCAF ibafana wini AFCON ibafana idlala ama World Cup ayegcina la but ayeselectwa ama players akhona ukuze adlale esquadini represent isquad iTumile Nkhune I don't know how many matches aba now kwi CAF but he did a wonder benoshabalala ngo2010 ukugeza uNeymar a penalty a brilliant shot a brilliant save engowala just discipline even wonke ama team ayekhona oshabalala nani ukuthi hey sine experience yokudlala lesine experience but look at the goal who scored a goal like that in a World Cup match engowala so mina into engisho ukuthi let's try ama players ala and see ukuthi kuzoqhamukani because irregardless ukuthi Steve Lecolea they didn't care ukuthi sidlala neTottenham Hotspur.
Okay.
They didn't.
Okay, so ukhune wasave penalty kwi World Cup.
Yes.
Okay.
Was save
but ukhune wayengayidlali iChampions League. Ukhune akana imedali eCAF.
Yeah.
So ilokhunje so isuccess noma ukumvuma kwakho is just ukuthi wasave penalty.
No. Every game from Bafana every most oke ngithi nje 80% yama games kakhuni kwiKaizer Chiefs 80% yama games akhune kwiBafana it's just that sasisene mentality yokuthi we employ a style of playing from overseas yabona le Bafana yawini AFCON yayingadlali leli ibhola la overseas yayizange ikopele ibhola la overseas ifitness ababe naso iskill ababe naso then they performed good remember ukuthi le Bafana le yadlala 2020 ayizange iqualify ukudlala ilokhujana iWorld Cup but uma ubuyele emuva lama indigenous players ayedlala iWorld Cup based on uqualify ama matches bawawin baze bangena so take ama players adlala istyle escopishwe pheshe take ama players isuccess yama players adlala ibhola la eMzansi awana iAFCON lama player afundisa ibhola la pheshe lawa ayedlala ibhola la eMzansi ane AFCON
but ke uthe wena babengakwazi ukubona ukuthi idlala kanjani laba abaphesheya but
ngithi mina
babengasazi player istyle set sokudlala esadlala iSouth African
ngithi mina lama players lawa ane success ayedlala ibhola lala eMzansi azange afundiswe the style of playing kwilokhujana esithathwe phesheya. That's why achievement more than lama players afundiswe ibhola elithathwe kwamanye ama countries.
Okay, so usho ukuthi wena ukudlala as a South Africans kwakusebenzela kudala compare manje ngoba sesi integrate i-European football. So ama opponent ethu ayengakwazi ukusmash because adlala into yethu.
Yeah, ngakusho
na. But lokho ngeke kusasebenza manje yazi ngobani? Ngoba manje sekunama video. So uyababona ukuthi okay abantu badlala kanje. Unlike kudala awungenayo access engako ukuthi uzodraw ama matches ebafana u10 the last 10 matches yabo. So kunzima ke vele ukudlala nomuntu ongenayo ID kangaka ukuthi udlala kanjani because manje ucoach bakudala babengenawo lama team abanayo manje kunama analysis abantu abachecka ama match ama games everything. So mina ngiyakuphika ukuthi abadlali bakudala isikhathi bezibewin AFCON ba achieve izinto ezinkulu kunalabo bamanje yabo because sazoyenza ivideo ngalokho sithatha squad lesi sango 1998 noma 96 u96 I believe sibona ukuthi okay ba achievani bona compared to laba abamanje noma bengayinanga ilokhunje AFCON kodwa they went to play iClub World Cup, they went to play iCAF Champions League. So laba ababedlala at the time koKaizer Chiefs sibona ukuthi babenza kanjani iContinental but asikho lapha kodwa nje mina uHugo Broos ngimile naye ukuthi ngeke uhlule ukuperform ube unumber 16 kwi local league bese uthi mina ngikuthathe ngiyokudlalisa kwiWorld Cup against ilokhunje iMexico against abantu aba rated higher than us because I believe in Mexico number 16 thina si ranked number 60. So ngeke uzungitshele ngathi usahlula ukufitha kuyibafana abafana then uzongitshela ukuthi wena you can go toe to toe nabantu aba number 16 umhlaba wonke. So even Senegal is ranked number 12.
Yeah.
But
why is ranked number 12?
Eh?
Why is ranked number 12?
Senegal. Ama achievement abo idlela abadlala ngayo.
Nakho ke. Ngeke ungitshele ukuthi awuna matric but uzothatha umuntu ono grade 1 umqhathanise no matric. There is no such.
How many players in Senegal?
There is no such. I guess angikho kwiSenegal. Ngisho kwiSouth Africa 1996.
Man. No, angithi mina ngiyakuchazela ukuthi why Senegal is ranked number 16.
No, ngiyakuzwa lo.
Ngoba inama players amaningi adlala phesheya. Adlala European. Why lokhunye Morocco is ranked I think number 13 or so. Inama players amaningi adlala phesheya kwi-European. Ama countries amaningi anama football database eAfrica. Ayenza kangcono. Mancane.
Why ama countries ale abe nabadlali abaningi abadlala phesheya?
Ama countries akephi?
Lawo Senegal, lawo wabalayo.
Because ama players abo they working harder to break European.
Okay.
Yes.
Ake sithi ukushintsha kancane sibuyele emasisweni. So laba abadlala manje abangena AFCON.
Okay mana before ungene lapho. Isiphi isitelo sokudlala South Africa ngaphandle koShibobo nokulitapeta nokuligijima? Isiphi style nje osho ukuthi lesi shanga sabantu?
No, istyle anginaso. But into engingayisho just look at amagoli ashawa uMakhathi. Just look amagoli ayeshawa uNomvet. Lento engiyishoyo ukuthi mana labadlali bakhe abana AFCON.
Mana.
Laba.
Ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi
futhi angeke bayithole.
Mana. Ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi uMakhathi udlala iAfrican. uMakhathi wafitha like a glove kwi-European. Ngeke uzungitshela uMakhathi angikhumbula uMakhathi agibela ibhola.
No, uMakhathi akaligibela ibhola. Into engisho
ukuthi
lento uMakhathi le afika yenza le. It's not into afika afundiswa yona le noma wafundisa ukuthi this is how we going to play. Into ayiqala la.
How many players la eSouth Africa?
Yabo.
Abadlala njengoMakhathi.
Ubheke angibazi njengamanje.
Kusho ukuthi akadlali iSouth African.
Abazi.
Mina ngakubalela istyle sokudlala sala eSouth Africa.
Khona le colored la eCape Town eladlalela iAjax Cape Town uSkilo yeah uSkilo was a South African football player wafika wadlala exactly njengoba edlala la phesheya ubani midfield efana noSkilo
but ngiyakuzwa lo ukuthi uSkilo angimazi
yabo
but uMakhadi ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi udlala as a South African never
kanjani
never ukuthi abadlali bala South Africa bowubukisa wethu derby mawuzobona ama South African players ukuthi adlala kanjani bese uyahamba uyobuka iCAS tournament
asibuye ku Siyabonga Nomvethe asibuye ku Siyabonga Nomvethe
yeah
indoda eqhamuka ngapha uma ngabe kuvaliwe ngapha ibuye ngapha ifiki ibhala the striker esasiika of which
wabhala Africa
asikho mana wo iSouth Africa yonke kubadlali base South Africa ubani onamagoli okudlula uNomvethe
abadlali eSouth Africa noma base South Africa
abadlala la eSouth Africa
ushalulile
akanayi
udlala eSouth Africa
angiqale phansi Siyabonga igama lesizulu Nomvethe igama lesizulu une ID number yase South Africa uzalwe eSouth Africa asilando umunye
wena wathi South African players
okay wathi ngiqale phansi umuntu ozalwe la eSouth Africa onamagoli amaningi ukudlula Siyabonga Nomvethe yindaba kuzoba khona ama international azokora ukudlula ama South Africans
okay so ngiyakuzwa lokho angikuphikisi uSiyabonga how many goals anawo kuCAF how many caps anawo kuCAF so ile nto ngitshela yona
Moremi leli lomlungu lo dlalela Stellenbosch striker uGrobler nezinye istriker zala how many goals do they have kuCAF
okay so
ayasiva
man okay ngiyakuzwa lokho just because he play good la doesn't mean ukuthi izomesha Africa mina ngikhuluma ngabantu that they can play
bakhona labantu engibashoyo ukuthi babedlala lendlela esedlala
ukuthi mina ngeke ngifakaze lapho because angazi babedlala kanjani asinayo ivideo wayibuka leyo game
mina ngiyamazi mfethu uNelithovu
no ngisho ukuthi ifinal wayibuka
angizange ngiyibuke
okay
kodwa
asazi istyle sokudlala
mina ngiyamazi uNelithovu udlala kanjani ngiyamazi uDr Khumalo udlala kanjani ngiyamazi uHelman Mkhelele ngiyamazi khona lo mdlalo lo wePirate uJerry Skhosana udlala kanjani ngiyabazi laba abadlala abaningi ababedlala ukuthi how do they play football ngiyamazi uBrian Baloyi how do I do lokhujini
mina ngikhuluma ngeAfrica la ngikhuluma ngeAfrica ngikhuluma ngoCAF mina ngiyakuzwa angibaphiki babenswembu
mina ngikhuluma ngeAfcon
ngiyakuzwa
mina ngikhuluma ngeAfcon
ungangitshela ngento yango 96 akuyo 98 u96
nayi nePirate inelokhujana yango 96 that's why isuccess yaleli ibhola la
ubani wakora kwiPirates kwifinal
kuphi
kwiCAF
angazi kwiCAF angazi
banayo nje iCAF not iCAF
Champions League
uba wakora
banayo angazi ukuthi
asingakhuluma ngento singayazi
abanayo iPirate
banayo ngibuza ukuthi ubani
bafana inayo ilokhujana Afcon
inayo
so manje
so ngithi mina angiphiki lokho
abanayo labadlali bakho Afcon
angiphiki lokho
lePirate yamanje ayinayo iCAF
okay mina angiphiki ukuthi banayo Afcon
yes
angiphiki noma kuthiwa bane World Cup angiphiki ngithi mina ukuze mawuthi ufuna sibuyele kulesa style ngibuza ukuthi isiphi leso style because asinayo igame ukuthi okay sas counter attack noma sasenzani asinayo ireference so usho kanjani ukuthi sibuyele emasisweni kodwa emasisweni awekho
yabona uKevin Hunt khona Khelele khona Dr Khumalo ukhona nabanye ocoach bakhona that's our reference ama players anayi reference uyakhumbula iPirates iperformance ithanda ukubheda kwaphakama ama legend abotso Vilakazi batshela ama player current players ekseva fethu dlalani ibhola leni bathini bathi dlalani ibhola leni enzana ama result are improve so my key point is the result if ama legend ekwazi ukuthi abe ne-impact kuma-current players ama-result abe good, then we have ilokhujana i-reference. OMcCarthy njengoba bekhona was a striker coach wacoach ama-forwards kwi-Liverpool ba-improver Rashford. So yena if as an knowledge yakhe, this is how we win games, this is how i-midfielder from uDoctor siyibamba. Angisho mina ukuthi asibuyele sidlale ngale ndlela, let's try it and see ama-result.
Okay, mina sangibuza ukuthi yenjani. Okay, ngoba uyachaza ukuthi bakhona ubani. You remember i-CAF Champions League 2021 final kwadlala ba? Kwadlala kutshela mina kwadlala Al-Ahly versus Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay,
yakhumbula yafika kanjani Kaizer Chiefs ku-final?
yafika kanjani?
Umbhedo. So manje yabona mina abantu angangitshela ukuthi ababuyele back emasisweni ukuthi babe ngcono. I-generation is the Brazil. They did it over and over and over. So ngoba ngiyenza i-reference nge-Kaizer Chiefs ayingayiwina le final. Ukuthi kanjani dololo.
Yazi.
So mana ngiyeza. So abantu engasho ukuthi okay they were better. They were better generation indlela ababedlala ngayo is the Brazil. Bana 4 World Cups. Yabo. So if bona abasakwazi ukuwina because if into uyenza kaningi that means unayo iformula yokudlala. Ungangitshela ngabantu mina abawina into kanye asazi nokuthi bayiwina kanjani because should nabo bazi ukuthi bayiwina kanjani. Yabo. Because if iKaizer Chiefs yayiwina le mpahla ngoba yayidlala umbhedo nje. Should say the best. Nabo bazi bafika kanjani. uAtazwane wafika uzubona ukuthi imanagement naye ayingazi yafika kwi-final then evala ukho sekudlala final bamkhipha yabo. So ungayifluka into kanye, angisho ukuthi ngithatha icredit yabo, ungayifluka into kanye then sekuzothiwa hey best. Ungayifluka inhlanhla ifootball inani inhlanhla futhi. So abantu engasho mina ukuthi they must go back kwindlela abebedlala ngayo is the Brazil nation. Brazil because banani ngeke bethu ngeke uzuwina into kawu4 ngenhlanhla never. World Cup ngeke uzuwine ngenhlanhla. But ke I'm not taking anything away from the 1996 class yelokhonja ye South Africa. But indlela wakudlala ngayo kudala ayisafani. Ama-industry they ayashintsha even manje. If ball indlela edlala ngayo isafani sekune technology manje, even indlela kuscout ngayo ama players ayifani. So ngeke uzuhlezi wena uthi hayi thina sidlala kanje because mina ngibuzile ukuthi South Africa idlala kanjani. South Africa mina indlela engiyazi idlala ngayo indawo ile libhola lokuthi siyitapeta seligibela selithatha ileyo nto le lelo bhola lelo mina lokuyitapeta. And I'm sure ngangingekho angiyibuka ngegame le bezibethatha iAfcon iBafana but I'm sure akekho umuntu owayeligibela ibhola lapha.
Okay,
yes.
Ake sibuye la kwiBrazil.
Yeah. uFIFA waba negative impact, washintsha ama-rules. Washintsha ama-rules baba nomona. Due to ukuthi uFIFA cabanga ukuthi wase-Europe. Yeah, waba nenkinga. So if kukhona umdlali wase-Europe odlala njengeBrazil uyapraiswa TY buka wenza. Kodwa ngendlela iBrazil yayithatha ngayo akuzange kube mnandi kuFIFA ukuthi sashawa abantu kangaka. So iBrazil yafaceana nama-rules amasha ukuchallenge nawo FIFA, indlela ya affecteka abadlala ngayo ibhola. Bese sibuya kwiBafana. iBafana idlale iWorld Cup 2010 bengaqualifyanga vele babe host
ngoba uFIFA wathi ngeke kukwazi ukuthi ama-host angabe bikho kwi-tournament. So as time goes on, i-achievement kulabadlali abadlala kule technology ekhona kule way of playing yaphesheya iachievement ke iphi what did we yini esi-achievile through ukubuka ukuthi worldwide ibhola lidlalwa kanjani yeah ubuke kwi rugby irugby yawathatha ama World Cup irugby they never deviated they never changed this is how a South African Springbok rugby team plays rugby even if we face the best ama All Blacks we will defeat them sebefikile benza yonke lento yabo i-organization ye-rugby yabhena certain things ukuthunaza iSouth Africa ukuthi ingabusaba effective uma beshintsha ama rules ukuthi ingabe effective ukuthi iwine iWorld Cup kwisport ebacabanga ukuthi fanele sidominatewe amazwe thizeni ebala thizeni so iSouth Africa uma ngeyibuka ingayifunda indlela ezintsha ukuthi ibhola lidlalwa kanjani but we don't have a South African world class striker why
then uzoyiwina kanjani ke World Cup ungenayo so istriker esidlala ngalendlela odlala ngayo but mina angaphenduleki ukuthi but siyamove on ukuthi South Africa idlala kanjani ngoba nithi manje sedidlalisa kwaphesheya mina ngaphendule because istyle of play eSouth Africa engisaziyo everyone yasazi esokutapeta gibela ibhola lesidlala womfundo vilakazi istyle
South Africa Hugo Bros take noma ngabe ubani go atazwane go banibani abazi le football engiyishoyo then babuka ukuthi kulendlela ekudlalwa manje esikhathini samanje sizo adopta kanjani imapha ama players esithi uma adopta i-world football way of playing babe best uma bedlala compared to ama international players imaphi ama players esizowathatha sithi awabuyele we-way of South African football if we continue skhiqiza the likes of Ombokazi Ndamane Motawu Mogela Langa Letlapa which means sisayibambile ngendlela esisayibambe ngayo ngoba ama defense ayenzima even nama opponent pheshe ayethwala ubunzima ayekhona before namanje sisakwazi ukwakhava indaba ekhona lama defender it's because there is no international or video yabadlali bapheshe abangayibuka this is how we defend but uma bebuka ama video la eSouth Africa they see ukuthi this is how a defender defend and this style of defend we can defend against any nation worldwide so ukuza esiswini okay simnandi ukhona ulo umkwena ubani umuntu omnandi esiswini just like umkwena so ngiwucoach mina we team noma ngayiphi ngiwucoach squad I will encourage ama South African coaches ngicela ningikhandeleni omunye umkwena uma ingakhandeki sizoyo scout outside ifootball ya PSL no Siba ama team angithi ba no Siba no B lapho ku Diski Challenge phumani kwi Diski Challenge niye ko Kaizer Stars niye ko association emakhaya nizamthola omkwena mhlambe aba u4 yeah this is and ubandlululo kwi squad lalulincane ngalesa sikhathi
yabo bese bewin AFCON
lalulincane uma ngabe abadlali basemakhaya babekhona bedlala kwi-PSL that means kwaxoshwa lapha nalapha ya ikhono ingako mina ngithi the way of football hambi emakhaya yes bakhona elokishini emadorobheni ukuze uthole umkwena ukuze uthole umshishi umshishi akusiwa kuma suburb
but umshishi akadlali le football le yase South African le i-mentality mina ngitshela nge-mentality le ukuthi
liyagijela imuphi ucoach wapheshe ubani iyipi i-style of football othi umshishi lo mdlalo wapheshe udlala njengaye no mangithi South African way for playing like umshishi he is playing in South African football not ukugibela ukwenzana ukutapeta nako kuyingxenye since umshishi ekhona we don't have omunye umshishi
okay since mina nawe asiyibukanga i-CAF final le yango 19
okay
yes
abanye banemedali abanye
so angizo ubala ukuthi banani
okay
ngisakubalela nje
okay mana
ngisakubalela
okay
yes okhona abakazi bequalify for World Cup laba othi aba South Africa abakazi if asihostanga ilokhunjwe World Cup ukhona mhlawumbe ngabakazi adlala iWorld Cup these ones le ngibatshela ngabo apolice omfukeng they qualified bayilwela they never go to ama playoff and what and masika check ama rankings akudala nawa manje they will tell you something ukuthi we are going to the right direction
okay
labadlali bakho babalayo ababalayo in Africa they know where to be found
okay
labo babalayo ungangibaleli ukuthi hey ubani usabonga nomvete ku-CAF asimazi usabonga nomvete
okay ngiyakuzwa lokho ukuthi banani
yes
laba abadlali mina engibashoyo nale way of football abadlali laba yaphuza ukufika ibafana ifike kwi world football very late very late ibafana yanamhlanje ithole the best football chances engazange wathole ama chances alapha ya
baye bangakabelungu
but mina
bezbe win AFCON
babe bangakhe
kwisquad
ayi
because kwaqeda kuphela apartheid wangaphela 3 years apartheid iphelile so I'm sure babese khona belungu lapha babese integrated kakhulu because
no ilokhuja belungu babe nama team abo abelungu bonke babe ne squad sabo so kuyibafana babe khona uNeltovi ucoach lo ucoach le team eshawa kakhulu Eric Tinkler wayekhona ezumlungu abanye ngisabakhumbula
okay so mina into engime ngayo bafethu ukuthi okay iBrazil siyazi mama umuntu engibuza ukuthi iBrazil dlala kanjani you know if a person is a Brazilian hey we see ukuthi okay Brazilian flair style yabo indlela abadlala ngayo yazi ukuthi okay this is the Brazilian style okay iBrazilian style has proven beyond reasonable doubt ukuthi iyabasebenzela yes so mina ngibuza ukuthi
le style edlalwa yilaba what kind of style abadlala
mana ngilinde ngiyeza so iBrazil has proven beyond reasonable doubt and futhi you can go uye kuma archives uzobona ukuthi iBrazil eyidlala kanje okay eyidlala kanje style of play sabo kanje so mina into engishoyo ukuthi anginayo isho ukuthi babedlala kanjani labo abango 1996 bezobewina iAFCON angithi anginayo isho babedlala kanjani but I will do my research makuthi sekhona ivideo ngizifuna ngiyithole ngibone ukuthi okay babedlala kanjani then sengingakhomenta ukuthi okay istyle sokudlala sabo si kanjani yabo angisho mina ukuthi angipheki mina ukuthi le ndlela babedlala ngayo basebenzele sengifuna ukuthi babedlala kanjani because njengamanje istyle sokudlala South African ngiyazi ukuthi ukutapeta ukugibela ibhola njengomfundo vina
yazi ukube into esishayo la yini ukuthi khona iSouth Africa ongayazi khona iSouth Africa oyaziyo and if ngayithatha le South Africa manje ngiyibuyise ngalesa sikhathi yayingeke mhlambi isurvive ngani into eyenzeka kwiSouth African football yayibhlungu ngendlela if iSouth Africa was treated like amanye amazwe mhlambe like Brazil the moment efika uFIFA eSouth Africa ithi South Africa ilethe i-team kuphume i-team yase South Africa engekho kwi-apartheid era kwingcindezi i-status salapha ya ngabe siphezulu kakhulu ngabe ama-achievement maningi abawa-achieve yabo just because of i-situation eyayikhona abanye babadlali ngaleso sikhathi base bethanda ukukhula so ngo-1985 babe sebancane Max Maponyana but awekho ama-major tournaments ababevuleleka ukuthi bawadlale bebancane Mofokeng ake ngithi namhlanje abadlali abano 16 years they are banama opportunities okudlala ama tournament amakhulu emhlabeni like Club World Cup like World Cup wonke lama tournament of which intsha yebafana yathatha iAFCON ayizange wathole alawo mathuba leyo but the way ababedlala ngayi football I have no doubt ukuthi maningi ama-achievement ababezowathola yabona ngendlela ekudlalwa ngayo manje ngihappy ngedefense current defense ayinawo umehluko compared to ibafana yawini iAFCON isisu makukhona lesa sisu lesiyana awukho umehluko ongakanani just because ayikho i-replacement eyaba khona doctor if ngingabheka ku Google mangakho ama tournament bese bancane doctor abawadlala ngilist ama opportunity ababengawathola yes kwahamba bathengwa phesheya I doubt ukuthi bathengwa in their youthful days bathengwa after sekunoshintsho ukuthi South Africa isiyaphuma transformer from i-apartheid kanjalo angibagxeki futhi labadlali bamanje kodwa ngoba ngiyabazi laba ukuthi babedlala kanjani this is why South Africa was able to produce a defense up until its structure today we depend ama international strikers ukuthi abe khona uma sidlala Club World Cup uma sidlala CAF ukuthi fanele kube khona kuthezwe so that ama team ethu asakwazi khona abadlale ama position esingasakwazi ukwa develop ukwakhanda ukuthi sino number 9 best osishayela amagoli asinayi currently usalulile international usaleader ngamagoli and abanye abango best Ombesuma Knowledge Musona yabo ama international players ayengo best ebholeni la eMzansi ayekora i-conversion rate yakhona yayiphezulu compared to ama strikers ayekhona la eSouth Africa so if mina mangithi sibuyele lapha and see how can we create ama strikers how can we create unumber 6 like Mkwena like nabanye ko number 10 sibe no best so that football yethu izoba competitive kakhulu since sekuvuleleke yonke into ukuthi as South Africa singangena kuye noma ngayiphi i-tournament but njengamanje we are trying our lucky ngama front ethu yabo so kodwa makusekhona apolice Mofokeng if sebe mhlambe sebe ku stage sesithathu kwi World Cup ama team aseyazi ukuthi iSouth Africa izofaka uMofokeng izofaka uApolice izofaka uFoster i-alternative esingathi uma sibafaka lama players uma siwakhipha la sifake bona still lamanye ama team adideke ayikho best
so njengamanje wena manga comparison nje uMbesuma noIkram Reyners who is the best goal scorer
Ikram Reyners noMbesuma angengazi but possible ukuthi uMbesuma
Okay sithi
Okay,
siyabonga
no,
noMvethe no Ikram Rinus.
No, ake simiyeke uLokhujana siyabonga noMbesuma. Asilande uIkram Reyners noShalulile because these are
ngiyazi ngizelani ngoba angithi uyabancoma ukuthi we produce these people nani ababe best babe shy inqawe i-conviction rate yayi high. So ake sicompare uReyners no Siyabonga noMvethe.
usengaphezulu uSiyabonga noMvethe in terms of amagoli.
Okay.
That's why ake ngithi ake sibayeke bona.
Okay, it's fine.
ONoMvethe laba badala. Ake simqhathanise nama current strikers ukuthi if uyabheda njengamanje kaBhori ubani esingamsubstitute ngaye.
Okay,
yeah.
It's fine. So highly rate uLokhunja Siyabonga noMvethe.
No, ake siwayeka
as a South African.
No, i-comparison yama players amadala namasha ngaleyo ndlela ye comparison angithandi ukuyenza.
Okay,
why sizothatha umuntu omdala simfake nomuntu odlala manje whereas bekhona why singamisi imiyeke uShalulile? Why ngithi mina
sikhuluma ngama South Africans?
No, mina ngithi mina iSouth Africa ayikaka produce the best strikers since ama international strikers asadominate ngokukora amagoli.
Okay.
Ake silande uShalulile simbeke la. Who's unamagoli amaningi ukudlula uShalulile? Asibayeke laba abadala current because uSiyabonga noMvethe asimqhathanise nama current strikers ayekhona ngaleso sikhathi since eproduce la eSouth Africa.
So ipoint yakho
Siyabonga noMvethe.
Yes, okay. Ipoint yakho ibithi we haven't produced ama best strikers since ONoMvethe.
Okay.
Isho njalo. Mina sengifika ngeargument ukuthi hayibo.
No.
You can't compare uReyners no Siyabonga noMvethe. uReyners unegoal kwi
mana ake sicacise kahle le comparison. In the times of abo Benny McCarthy. Benny McCarthy ayikho i-international striker eyayikhona ngaleso sikhathi eyayi best than yena. Siyabonga noMvethe ayikho i-international striker eyayikhona eyayi best more than yena.